Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create Facebook post design on different niches. So guys, you can sell this service on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms online, and you can also target offline market. You can also go to Facebook pages and ask the owners to your services, and also you can go to google.com and search the niche websites according to your niche, and ask them that contact them and ask them that you can maintain their social media presence, their Facebook presence, and they will surely hire you. So let's go towards Canva. If you don't know about Canva, canva.com is one of the best graphic designing tool available online. It is very easy and handy to learn. If you know complete about Canva, if you want to know complete information about Canva, go to my channel Iron Tech and go to the playlist section. There I upload a playlist which is called Canva designing course. After watching the playlist, you will surely know everything about Canva, how Canva works, and how to work on Canva. So in today's video I will teach you how you can create Facebook post on business niche. So let's get started. I click on creator design, and here I search Facebook post. Facebook post here. I click on this. It is loading. Wait for some seconds. It's depend upon the internet speed. And after that I search here business, and it provides me different business templates. So I click on this. I like this one, 5 business tips for women. You can change the title and tips according to your client's requirement. But first of all I will go to photos, and here I search business woman. So it's good. Yeah, after that I would like to change the font. We can change the background color. Some light colors like this. Yeah, it's look good. After that I put a dummy website here, like business.com. In this way you can easily customize any template. Like we add some elements, business, and go to graphics, and you can add these type of templates like this. Mhm. Yeah, so that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.